I didn't really prepare anything because I didn't know I was going to be talking, but one important thing I want to say is the 1-year anniversary is coming up next week on the 17th, and it's been on my mind a lot. And one message I would like to leave you all with today is no matter what happens, believe in yourself, stay strong, and don't let your demons inside of you win. Like when this happened to me, I was literally reading Ayatul Kursi and someone still threw acid in my face. You know, like at the end of the day, I could have said, oh, you know, screw religion, you know, like Allah didn't protect me. But at the end of the day, Allah did protect me. God did stay with me no matter what. And He made sure that the angels were with me. Because 1 year later, I'm still here, subhanAllah. And I do want to say, with what I've experienced, it's really, really horrible. I just came out of surgery like 48 hours ago. They're going to grow tissue on my skin in order to reconstruct my whole entire face. I have cuts on this side of my shoulder from my neck going down and on the other side, and they put like balloons literally in my body. So I'm experiencing all this pain, but with it comes a lot of courage, alhamdulillah, and I would really like to become an advocate for women who have experienced any kind of traumatic event or anything similar to what I've been through, so that, you know, I could advise you, I could help you, I could help guide you, whatever you need. Feel free to reach out. My email is ikramary.my first name, nasiah@gmail.com. If you guys need to talk or anything, feel free to shoot me an email, whatever the case. Alright, thank you.
I would like to recognize here